So we're going to go look for pollinators in their hive in just a moment. You can see behind me the pollinator garden that we planted a little while ago and how it's starting to grow. I wanted to share a little bit from Beehive by Jorey Hurley. This is a gorgeous book in that it uses one-word verbs to tell a story, and within that you get to see these gorgeous illustrations that show exactly what our bee friends are doing. And I just want to share a couple of pages from it to give you an idea. So we've got collect, and you can see that the honeybees are out collecting pollen. Pollinate as they're going from flower to flower. Guard as they're guarding their honey and their hive from potential predators. Keep, and you can see that they are keeping the honey, they're keeping their beeswax. Honey. And the part I love about this book is in the back, there is a wonderful author's note that includes all kinds of additional information about the world of the beehive. So let's go on our adventure and see what we can find today. The wildflowers in this meadow are literally buzzing with all kinds of pollinators. Let's take a closer look and see where the action is. I love the natural cause and effect connections we can make from our pollinator to our beehives. So why do we want to plant a pollinator garden? Obviously, it's good for the pollinators, the bees, the butterflies, the hummingbirds. It's also really good for us. More than 80% of the foods that we eat, the plants that we eat, need pollination in order to survive. Check out this image. What kind of plants have we added to our pollinator garden? We've got bee balm, and over here we've got Maynite, we've got some yarrow, we've got some columbine, and back here we've got some milkweed, all of which should be nutritious and delicious for our bees, our hummingbirds, and our butterflies. Let's check out our book connections. So today we're going to plant a pollinator garden, and you can do this just about anywhere. I have a small patch, and in it we are going to put milkweed for the monarchs, and we're also going to put a honeybee wildflower seed mixture. Now, all you need is a patch of ground, some good sunlight, soil, water, air, and love. Why do we plant a pollinator garden? Because pollinators like butterflies and honeybees and hummingbirds help to pollinate the plants that create the food that we eat. It's a good relationship, and it's good for the ecosystem. All right, let's start planting. So there you have it, sun, soil, water, air, and love. We'll check in on them and see what pollinators we can bring to the garden this summer. In the meantime, check out these wonderful books.